The Passage RDA, my friends. We're going to build it, we're going to wick it, we're going to vape it. Stick around. Well, here it is, my friends. The Passage RDA. It's a nice looking bit of gear. I think it's pretty sexy. Now, there are a few things I don't like. For instance, I don't like the way this step down right here is. I would have rather it had it straight. It's an aesthetics thing for me. I just don't like it. Nice engraving. Okay, now the airflows. Now the reason we call this the Passage is because it's like a passage. It goes in and into the holes. Now, the thing I don't particularly like about this RDA are the tool marks. You see the tool marks? For calling this the Passage, and this being the Passage, I want it cleaned up, man. Now that part is visible. And I don't like it. It ruins the sexiness of the RDA. It really does. So those are two cons right there. But this is a real nice top cap. See, it's conical right here, up into your mouth. The thickness, it gets thicker right here where the airflow holes are. Nice knurling right here. It works perfectly. It's real nice to have. The tolerances on this are great. Here's the bottom. In collaboration with Suck My Mod, The Passage by HellVape. Let's talk about the drip tip, shall we? It's an 810. Anyways, there's the drip tip. It's antibacterial, y'all. I'd really like to know if that ruins the antibacterial part, this metal, because my lips are touching that. I don't want to do this review over again. I don't know how many times I've done it because nothing was going my way. We're going to build this. Let's build it. Let's build it. I'm going to use these coils here. These are staggered Stapletons. Well, let's just put them in there and see what happens. Okay, now, here it is. And let's hope I can do it. Let's see here, y'all. It's not easy doing it looking at the screen. So, let's give it a try and see if I can do it. Alright. Now, there's a couple different things we can do. We can put one leg under and one leg over, or we can put both under, or we can put one under and one over. What I'm going to do is, since they're already level like that. See, I'm gonna put them both under, if I can do it with here. You know what, I'll be right back, hold on. Jeez. Alright, let's give it another try. Now the reason I'm not putting this on a mod and I'm doing it bare like this is because I don't have room with my camera because the dumb thing won't focus. So I'm gonna put, I could do it up top like that, or I can do it on the bottom. And you see how this is beveled right here? It makes it so you can just push it in like that, which a lot of people are doing nowadays, and it's a really good idea. Alright, so we got that in. That side's not going in exactly. There we go. That's that side. Now let's do this side. Now I think I'll do this side on top. Okay. And so now I'm going to hold it and tighten it down. Now, I've told you guys before that I dislike using flathead, but I've been thinking about it, and there's actually times when a flathead screw comes in handy. For instance, let's say I don't have any decent tools. These flatheads won't strip out, and that is a good thing. When I say crappy tools, like maybe it's a Phillip head or a Allen wrench, sometimes they don't fit in there good, and you can strip the heck out of your grub screws right there. But you can't strip, well, it's 100 times harder to strip a flathead screw. Alright, so we got them in there, and they're looking pretty sexy. Let's go ahead and straighten it all up, my friends. Would you look at that? Somehow I got it to focus just right. I tried forever a few minutes ago, and oh well, what can you do? Okay. These are a difficult coil to, one, build, and two, to wrap. I always have a heck of a time wrapping these things. Now, with this RDA, you want your coils high. You want them up. You want them up there. You want them to be at the top. You want the top of your coil to be at the top of the hole right there, or very close to it. And this comes down a little. Okay, that one's. All right, I'll be right back. I got to do this. Hold on. Okay, my friends, that is as close as I'm getting it. I'm not going to be as perfect as I like to be. This coil here, I totally screwed the pooch on, but it still looks good. It's still going to vape good. Let's go ahead and put the batteries in here and vape the shit out of it. Let's glow these bad boys, shall we? All right, 0.07, boys and girls. Oh, look at that! It's actually firing at 0.07 ohms. Look at that. Okay. We got some hot spots, don't we? Let's go ahead and get our... We need tools for hot spots here. This and this, yeah? Yeah, man. I like the ceramic. Yeah, screwed the pooch on that one. Made it smaller. It's really hard doing it while you're looking at the screen. Now, normally you guys hear me saying, I hate when people do that. But with this one, with these coils here, you got to. There's no other way that I know of to get... Whoa! What was that? Did y'all see that? What the hell? Well, they're glowing evenly, which is a... I did not think that was gonna... Well, they're not quite even. This one, obviously, is a little faster and a little hotter, but we're gonna leave it that way. Let's wick her up, my friends. Here's a little something I want to redo, y'all. It's the airflow that I want to get right, okay? Now, let's put this on. It's not high enough, is it? Alright. Let's look down in there without the drip tip on. Now, hold on a second here. Alright, so here's the airflow, and it's all the way to the left. If I move it to the right, it does that, and it's off whack. The reason he did that is so if you want to cut down your airflow, let's say this much, then if you can see down in there, let's see, hold on a second here. There you go. Now you can see where the airflow is not hitting the coil. So pretty much that bit of the coil on this side is not getting hit. Right? And if we do it even more, all the way down to 1, you can see where the airflow is hitting. And it's only that little part of the coil. And we got that much of the coil left. So what Matt did was he added that little extra bit so that you can turn it and get the coil, your whole coil hit. If you can see that. Yeah, you see it there? Right, so you can adjust it basically. He's always going on about that, you know, but so that's something that you got to pay attention to. And it's not as much of a pain in the rear as I thought it was gonna be. It's really well thought out. I think he did a great job. Well, that's that, my friends. Let's just tell you what I think about the little bugger. I like it. I think the drip tip is gorgeous. It's a nice looking RDA, I think. As far as vaping it, it's got, I'd say, average flavor. Now, I personally am an over dripping maniac. I over drip like crazy. I'm always over dripping. This, man, because the airflow is in that passage, it's not much of a leaker. I don't get a lot of leaks. Usually when I over drip, right, I'll get, I'll get a lot of liquid down here because I'm always over dripping. I haven't gotten that with this. And look at the threads, how smooth they are. Look at that. It's pretty nice. I don't like this part. I don't like it touching my face like that. But other than that, it's not bad. It's easy to build. I don't personally like sharing posts, but it's not a deal breaker. Alright, well, would I buy this if I were to lose it? I probably wouldn't, no. And that's not because it's not bad. It's just it's not my type of RDA, really. Will I use it after the review? Yeah, I'll keep using it. Mainly because it's built and I'm a lazy bastard. Isn't that horrible? All in all, it's a decent RDA, you guys. It's not bad at all. For the price, it's a great price. It's well built. It's got a lot of pluses to it. I purchased this with my own money, by the way, at VapeHappy.com. I'll leave a link. Also, your first order from them, I'll leave a link. You can get $10. If you use my link, you'll get a $10, not 10%, $10 off of your first order. And you don't have to spend a certain amount either. You can get a $20 something and get $10 off if you want. And I used my $10 code on that and got it at a really good price. So I'll leave links for all that, my friends. If you want it, leave me a message. Leave a comment. If several people want it, then I'll roll the dice to see who gets it. The giveaway. I've yet to have anybody want something from a giveaway. I don't know what to say. I might give it away over on ELR. Anywho, this is Danny Man signing out, brothers and sisters. Oh, wait. Tyrone Custard. It's a new creation. It's really good. Anywho, I'm signing out, bros. And sisses and bros. I gotta go. Peace.